Hi friends, do you have a ton of green tomatoes that you don't know what to do with? If you're anything like me, you still have a lot of green tomatoes on the vine that have not ripened, but we have a danger of frost coming. So today I want to show you my favorite recipe on how to turn these tomatoes into a delicious green tomato salsa. I was very lucky and the frost did not hit my immediate area. So I have a ton of tomatoes left. I am only going to be using the ones that are very green. The ones that are slightly blushing, I'm going to leave those on the counter to ripen throughout the week. Over here I have these yellow tomatoes and you can see slight yellow on them. So you don't want to take those because they'll definitely ripen. But I want to take these right here, the ones that are super green, and this will make a delicious green tomato salsa. I have collected my tomatoes, and this is not a lot of them because I want to make a personal batch. You also want to add some aromatics, so add whatever you have. What I like to do is add a little bit of oregano. Maybe 3 sprigs like this will do for this recipe. You also want to get some green onions for this. I think I'll do 2 this time. Just collecting 2 of these green onions. Cleaning your onions is very simple. Just peel this right here. It should come right off, and then you break away this part. The most important herb for this salsa is going to be your cilantro. So get out there and harvest a few cilantro leaves. I want my salsa to be spicy, so I'm going to be adding 2 cayenne peppers. You can add any other kind of pepper. Make sure you wash, destem, and cut any unwanted parts from your tomatoes. My tomatoes look great, so I'm not going to be chopping them or doing anything. I'm even just going to include them like this whole into my recipe. But if you have some bad spots, you can just cut those off. And I'm going to be washing my scallions as well. I probably have 1.5 pounds of tomatoes, so I'm going to start boiling 2 quarts of water with a teaspoon of salt. When your water has started boiling, take your tomatoes, peppers, and onions and add them to the boiling salted water. Set a timer for 3 minutes and get some ice and get an ice bath ready for your vegetables. If the stems of your herbs are a little too thick, just destem them. I like grabbing them by the tip and then pulling just like this, and then you end up just with the leaves. Once your timer goes off, remove the tomatoes and peppers from the heat, strain them through a colander, and put them into an ice bath. Once your produce is cool, strain it again and put it into a blender. And add the juice of 1 lime. Blend this for a minute on high. Now you have an amazing green tomato salsa, and you've used up all those green tomatoes that you had in your garden. And check out how beautiful green this is. The blanching process really helps get rid of the bitterness of the green tomatoes. And this salsa, I'm gonna add a little bit more sea salt to it, and if you want a little more zest, you can add more lime or lemon juice. Now you can enjoy this delicious green salsa with your favorite tortilla chip. That is delicious. I think I will add the juice of 1 more lime to this to give it a bit more zest. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more recipes and more videos like this.